Everybody, students, today I'll explain Venn diagram and practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. To understand Venn diagram, 2 points you have to keep in your mind. Whenever we have to take universal set, we will consider as a rectangle. And any other set which is coming from the universal set, that one we have to consider as a circle. Let us take with how will we draw the Venn diagram of A union B. देखिए A यूनियन B कहीं ना कहीं से आ रहा है. That means first of all we will always consider as a universal set as a rectangle. We have two sets A and B taking circle. Now why we are taking intersecting कि हम ये मान रहे हैं कि A और B में कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन है. अगर कॉमन नहीं है तो हम उसे सेपरेट सेपरेट भी ले सकते हैं. Now look at this thing. This is A, this is B. You know very well. A union B means all the elements of A or B. So it means पूरा shaded portion A और B में ये होगा. That's why this is the Venn diagram of A union B, which is already mentioned here. One important point, this one A intersection B. You know very well. A intersection B means all the elements of A which are in B also. It means अगर हम प्रैक्टिकली देखें तो केवल यही पोर्शन है जिसमें A और B दोनों के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स आए. बट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अगर हमें A इंटरसेक्शन B चेक करना है तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, फॉर A सेट और B सेट एनी वट एवर योर चॉइस. A सेट के लिए हमने हॉरिजेंटल लाइंस ली and for B set we are considering vertical lines. When we will take this vertical lines, now just check this thing where this check portion is coming. Check portion is coming only in this part. That's why it is showing A intersection B, which is here also. तो जब भी हम A intersection B को चेक करेंगे, अगर हमें बहुत ही एक सिस्टमेटिक वे में करना है, we will do by this check part. उसमें एक को हम हॉरिजेंटल ले लेंगे, सेकंड को क्या ले लेंगे, वर्टिकल. wherever this cutting portion or check portion is coming, that will represent A intersection. Now A dash, you know very well, all the elements of universal set which are not in A. It is also known as the complement of A. It means जो A में नहीं है, that means remaining universal set will show the Venn diagram of A dash. A minus B, you know very well, all the elements of A which are not in B. अगर हम इस पोर्शन को देखें, इसमें वो एलिमेंट्स भी हैं जो A में भी हैं और B में भी. We want only all the elements of A which are not in B. It means this is the shaded portion. Now, De Morgan's law. There are two rules for De Morgan's law which are very very important. First one is A union B dash is equals to A dash intersection B dash. Second is A intersection B dash is equals to A dash union B dash. Now first one I'll show by Venn diagram, second one you have to try. Now left hand side A union B dash. It means all the elements of universal set which are not in A union B. It means this is the diagram. A union B को छोड़ दिया, बाकी सब में shaded portion. Now right hand side you can do by that cross method also, or generally you can think A dash intersection B dash. A dash means all the elements of universal set which are not in A. B dash means all the elements of universal set which are not in B. तो जब आप इसे ही हॉरिजेंटल और वर्टिकल लाइन से करेंगे, then same portion will come. So directly I mentioned this thing. Now from this part we can observe left hand side is equals to right hand side. On the basis of this आप second part को try करेंगे for Venn diagram. Now look at this thing. One theorem is very very important. If A and B be any two finite sets, then the number of elements in A union B is always equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. The proof of this one is very very important, and this one we will do by Venn diagram only. देखिए, what is this? A set. What is this? B set. This whole is representing number of elements in A. अगर हम केवल इतने पोर्शन को फाइंड आउट करें, then what this one is representing? Number of elements in A minus B. In the same way, what is this representing? Number of elements in B minus B, A. And this one is showing number of elements in A intersection B. Now this whole portion, number of elements in A union B, किसके इक्वल आ रहा है? Number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B plus number of elements in B minus A. Now I am doing one thing, number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B, I am keeping in one bracket, plus number of elements in B minus A. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं यहाँ, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A इंटरसेक्शन B को ऐड किया, जितना ऐड किया दैट मच आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड A इंटरसेक्शन B. इट मींस जनरली आप इसे ये समझ सकते हैं कि 2 इसमें ऐड किया और 2 ही क्या कर दिया, सब्ट्रैक्ट, नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में. तो यहां पर A इंटरसेक्शन B को ऐड किया और A इंटरसेक्शन B को क्या कर दिया, सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ बाय दिस वेन डायग्राम A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B. This whole is representing number of elements in A. Now number of elements in B minus A plus number of elements in A intersection B. This whole is representing number of elements in B, and this is number of elements in A minus B. This is the proof of this one. So number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Now look at this thing. One part is if A and B are disjoint sets, then number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. Now look at this thing. If we have to do the proof of this thing, first of all you will say we know this thing. It means, as we know very well, number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Now for disjoint sets, you know very well disjoint sets क्या होते हैं, जिसके A intersection B में कुछ भी पार्ट कॉमन नहीं होता. It means number of elements in A intersection B क्या होते हैं, 0. Now put this value in this part. It means number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. This is the proof of this part. Now very one simple question. X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has how many elements? 50. X has 20 elements. It means number of elements in X 28. Number of elements in Y 32. We have to find out number of elements in X intersection Y. Now look at this thing. Same rule. Number of elements in X union Y is equals to number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Substitute the value 50, 28 plus 32 minus number of element in A intersection X intersection Y. It means number of elements in X intersection Y. I am shifting this part here. 28 plus 32 means 60. Minus 50, it means number of elements in X intersection Y is equals to 10. So this is the basic problem. Now these 3 questions for your practice, you have to give the answer in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks and God bless you.